Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore a simple yet powerful feature in Windows 11 that can improve your typing experience. If you often type using a physical keyboard, enabling text suggestions can help you write faster and more accurately. First, start by right-clicking on the Start icon located at the bottom. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. Next, within the Settings window, locate and click on Time and Language. After opening Time and Language, look for the typing option and click on it to continue. Then, find the option labeled Show Text Suggestions when typing on the physical keyboard. Simply toggle this switch to On. Once activated, Windows 11 will start providing word suggestions as you type using your physical keyboard. This can significantly speed up your writing and reduce errors, especially when composing long documents or messages. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to the channel, liking this video, and sharing it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful Windows tips.